Hey, it's Tom Gallagher, the Videopreneur. Check it out. 2023 Lance 1995. I really like a Lance. Just really well laid out. The pass-through storage is really clever. I'm gonna just try something. Probably a bad idea. You know, that storage is so convenient. I wanted to just see what it would be like, see what it looks like on video. It may be a stupid move, but what the heck. Really nice awning. Very nice steps. Just look at the quality of the steps that they use. Adjustable for uneven terrain. So here's the back. We got a bush in the way, so I won't even go to the other side. But there's additional storage on the outside, on the off-camp side. Let's go ahead and step up inside. Before I do, just want to show you the screen. Really well thought out travel trailer. And the European windows, and I'll show you more of that in a moment. So here we have our slide controls, power controls. Right inside we have a closet for your brooms, your hang-up clothes. We have an additional bigger closet here with hang-up clothes. Very nice drawers. And then down here on the bottom, nice deep cabinet. Normally that is the water heater. So kind of a change of pace in the 1995. Easy close above storage. And then we also have the microwave oven here. We have your exhaust fan, LED lighting, 3-burner cooktop, and a pretty wide, as you can see, pretty wide 3-burner cooktop. Nice size oven. Then we have the refrigerator freezer, and it opens on this side, which only makes sense since the kitchen's on this side. And I point it out every time, but I really like the freezer that has a little bit of depth to it. Can you imagine having say a gallon of ice cream or half gallon of ice cream, and you leave it in there and forget about it and it melts? It's going to get caught in that tray, which is really nice. Here's your TV, and it is on a swivel, so you can swing it out. So this is a Murphy bed, and I'll fold it up just to show you what that looks like here in a moment. Let me give you more of the tour. So we have a privacy curtain. Then we have a U-shaped dinette, and under bed or under bench storage. And you can see right here, that locks it. So that way you don't have to worry about a yard sale when you're driving down the highway. Let's check out the bathroom. One of the things I really like about a Lance is the fit and finish in their bathrooms. So this has the radius shower and nice deep bowl cabinet. And then we have 2 different lights. So I'm going to see if I can back out of here and show you a little bit. So we have a top light, and then we have task lighting or at the mirror. But I'm always I'm big on having a light on at night, especially when you're traveling and you're not used to your environment. Let me set the camera down, and I'll go ahead and fold up the Murphy bed. See if we can do that and show it at the same time. So it's just a mattress. It folds up. And as I said, it was a Murphy bed. So that's the setup. So you have seating during the day, and then you can flip it down for sleeping at night. Nice deep cabinets here. And I mentioned earlier I wanted to talk about the windows. Look at the cross ventilation. So you have that very large window over your bed. Then you have windows here on both sides. And you have the screen just like I showed you for the door. And then you have privacy here from the bottom, which is really convenient. That way, if you want to just bring those up so far, then you still have some privacy, but you have some air circulating. So you have air circulating here, that big window. Then this is another large window here. You also have this large window at your dinette. Same configuration on the screens. And then the door, just like I showed you when I came in, as well as the window at the sink. So, boy, oh boy, you know, spring and fall, you're going to have plenty of cool air flowing. And then naturally in the winter and in the summer, when you want to control the climate inside, you just close all that off. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope it brought value. If it did, consider subscribing. Give us a thumbs up. Leave a comment, question below. And I'll catch you on the next video. Thanks again.